Are you worried that AI might replace us? Or are you excited about the potential it holds? The truth is, AI needs us more than we think, at least for now. In this video, we'll dive into why human guidance is essential for AI's development, how we ensure it aligns with our values, and the critical role we play in shaping its future. AI needs you as much as humankind needs it. Join us as we explore the intricate relationship between humans and AI, and discover why your role is indispensable in this evolving landscape. AI is often perceived as an autonomous entity capable of self-improvement. However, the reality is that AI's potential remains largely unknown without human direction. Our role in guiding and shaping AI is indispensable. Elon Musk emphasizes the necessity of human oversight to ensure AI benefits society, because AI could potentially replace us someday. He warns that without our guidance, AI could deviate from human values, posing significant risks. On the other hand, Li Jiang, Stanford AIRE director, believes that while AI can significantly enhance our abilities and improve various aspects of life, and it will not fully replace human jobs or the need for human creativity and oversight. And NVIDIA founder Jensen Huang supports the idea of AI being a universalizing knowledge tool. So, regardless of the point of view, there is an indispensable partnership between humans and AI. It's not necessarily about AI replacing us, but about how we can guide and leverage it to create a better future. As we guide AI through data, we must also ensure it aligns with our ethical standards. However, Musk points out that we assume that we are smarter than we think, and we can't always predict the outcomes. In this gray area, there is a possibility to create a singularity.
Yeah, so I've been thinking about AI for a long time, since I was in college, really. It was one of the things that, the sort of 4 or 5 things I thought would really affect the future dramatically. It is fundamentally profound in that the smartest creatures, as far as we know, on this earth are humans, is our defining characteristic. Yeah. We're obviously weaker than, say, chimpanzees, and less agile, real smarter. So now what happens when something vastly smarter than the smartest person comes along in silicon form? It's very difficult to predict what will happen in that circumstance. It's called the singularity. It's a singularity like a black hole, because you don't know what happens after that. It's hard to predict.
Opposing Musk, Jiang believes that AI will significantly enhance human abilities and improve many aspects of life. He emphasizes that AI will not fully replace human jobs or eliminate the need for human creativity and oversight. Jiang argues that AI should be seen as a tool to augment human potential, making us more efficient and effective in our roles, rather than as a replacement for human ingenuity and ethical decision-making.
I think there's a few things we need to change. One is that we need to start to teach AI thinking as early as possible. AI thinking will allow them to know the difference between human and AI. And then the human part is really the innovation part, from 0 to 1. That's where AI cannot do a good job. We need to focus on that. There's 3 important things about AI thinking. With the first thing, you need to have general understanding of how AI works. In the past, AI is basically mostly based on the rules or the specific algorithms that we write in the computer. The humans set the rules. And then now we developed a different algorithms like deep learning, reinforcement learning, based on data, because we have much more powerful computers that can handle way more data. And then they will develop and try to find the most optimized solution based on the current data. And then the more data you have, the better solution you usually will get. If you do the first one, the second one is that you will gain the ability to differentiate the human ability versus the machine's ability, or AI's ability. I think probably most of the audience don't know there's a scientific research area called structural biology. Scientists in this field study the structure of a protein. Proteins are so important for all the living creatures. The whole world have like 100 to 200 million proteins. This research area, like scientists, a lot of them are focusing on determining the structure of these proteins. we humans only find just a very little number of these proteins, like the structures of it, less than 1%. However, this AI is called AlphaFold. That's from DeepMind. In the past 2 years, AlphaFold predict like the structure of almost all the proteins in the world, and they put it in the open database online. So a job, once the machines can do it, then let the machines do it. And then we focus on the human part. After you get the first two, the third one is you will have the ability to work with AI, use AI to help you to accomplish other jobs. There is critical part is from 0 to 1, which basically that we invent something that doesn't exist before. And we probably can do 0 to 1 better with AI providing a lot of information and things like that. So we should prepare our kids to learn how to innovate, to generate new ideas, to use AI to help us, that kind of stuff.
So, as AI becomes more integrated into our lives, its impact on the workforce and society is profound. Elon Musk predicts significant disruption, with all the odd jobs being replaced by AI.
Well, I think we are seeing the most disruptive force in history here. Where we have for the first time, we will have for the first time something that is smarter than the smartest human. And that, I mean, it's hard to say exactly what that moment is, but there will come a point where no job is needed. You can have a job if you want to have a job for sort of personal satisfaction, but the AI will be able to do everything. That's why I say if you wish for a magic genie, that gives you any wishes you want, and there's no limit. You don't have those three wish limit nonsense. You just have many wishes as you want. It's both good and bad. One of the challenges in the future will be, how do we find meaning in life?
Whether that is true is still hard to tell. However, AI definitely has the potential to automate repetitive tasks, freeing up time and energy for creative and strategic work. This shift can lead to an age of abundance, where productivity and efficiency are greatly enhanced. Jensen Huang, on the other hand, holds a different opinion, which is more aligned with Jiang's.
Of what people feel. You probably recall, over the course of the last 10 years, 15 years, almost everybody who sits on a stage like this would tell you it is vital that your children learn computer science. Everybody should learn how to program. And in fact, it's almost exactly the opposite. It is our job to create computing technology such that nobody has to program, and that the programming language is human. Everybody in the world is now a programmer. This is the miracle. This is the miracle of artificial intelligence. For the very first time, we have closed the gap. The technology divide has been completely closed. And it's the reason why so many people can engage artificial intelligence. It is the reason why every single government, every single industrial conference, every single company is talking about artificial intelligence today.
Now, we want to hear from you. How do you see the role of humans in the future of AI? Share your thoughts in the comments below and join the conversation. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth discussions on AI and technology. Don't forget, your comment can be used by AI, so be constructive and help all of us to build a good future.